Bonjour les amis! Friends always say they have no time to cook. It doesn't need to be like this. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious creamy pesto chicken in less time than getting a takeaway. Your family will love this tasty and easy to make meal that's sure to become a favorite. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for my new recipes. They are always cheap and easy to make. So for this recipe, you need green pesto, cherry tomato, 4 chicken breast, some crème fraîche, and some basil. So now, let's start to cook.